Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve software development with GitHub easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and go to github.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To create a new repository, click on the new button located in the upper right corner. Enter a meaningful name for your repository in the repository name field. Add a brief description of your project to help others understand its purpose. Choose between public or private visibility based on your project's needs. Now, decide whether to initialize the repository with a README file. Click Create Repository to finalize the process. With your repository created, it's time to clone it to your local machine. Copy the repository's URL from the GitHub page. Open your command line interface and navigate to the folder where you want to clone the repository. Use the command git clone repository URL and hit enter to initiate the clone. Next, navigate into the cloned repository folder using cd repository name. Now, create a new branch to work on your features or fixes. Use the command git checkout b branch name to create and switch to the new branch. Make your changes in the files as required for your project. After making changes, save all your files. Use git add to stage the modified files for commit. Now, commit your changes with a clear message using git commit m your message. To update your branch with the latest changes from the main branch, switch back using git checkout main. Use git pull origin. Now, switch back to your branch again using git checkout branch name. If you're ready to share your changes, push your branch to GitHub with git push origin branch name. Create a pull request by clicking the new pull request button. In the pull request interface, review the changes and add comments if necessary. Submit the pull request to propose your changes for review. Collaborators can now comment or request changes before merging. After approval, proceed to merge the pull request into the main branch. Congratulations! You've successfully improved your software development process using GitHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.